Students, the best way to learn something new is to connect the new topic with some older topic you have already studied. The same we are going to do with this new topic, that is Java. You know what is Java? Now let me write it on board. Java. Some people write Java in all caps. Somewhere you will see it as this, J is capital, AVA as small, which proves that Java has no full forms. Java is not an acronym. So, what is Java? Before learning Java or before diving into Java, we must know that Java is a computer programming language. Java is a computer programming language. You have already studied about computer. Computer is an electronic device which works on or which processes data to convert it into meaningful information. It's a simple definition of computer. What is the meaning of programming? An instruction which is given to a computer to perform a specific task. Not just one instruction, but a set of instructions. If you learn about program, what is a program? A program is a set of instructions. What is a program? A program is a set of instructions. Now, we are going to study a language which will be used to give instructions to a computer. Now, the last topic, which is not at all new to you, and that is language. Why? You know why? Because you have been learning language since LKG. You were taught ABCD in English, and now in class 10th or class 9th or class 8th, you just study something advanced, something more advanced. But gradually you studied it. Gradually you did everything. First you learned about ABCD, then you started making words from ABCDs, and then gradually you started making, joining those words together in a meaningful manner to make it up as a sentence. Now you join sentences together to make it up as a speech or a paragraph. Now you are asked to write an essay or a letter. How did I learn those languages? How did I learn those languages? Gradually. You studied each and every aspect of that language. You started with the basic elements like O, R, Sahi Durgai or A, B, C, D. Started joining those characters to make up a new word. Now, the same thing is going to be followed here too in this computer programming language, which is now we are studying in class 8, 9, 10, 10 as Java language. Now, what is Java language is already defined here, computer programming language. Diving into the topic, there are many things we have to study about it, like history of Java, who developed Java, these all things. But today, in this introduction class, I am going to just tell you about the things that why do we use Java? What is the use of Java? Yes, it is a computer programming language. Why should we instruct a computer to do some task? I think you will, I think these questions does not make any sense, because if you cannot give an instruction to a computer, how will the computer perform something for you? The same thing you have to understand also, that Java is just a medium to communicate with a computer. Just like we require an English language, we require a Hindi language to communicate with you people. Suppose I am using right now an English language, or I will be using Hindi language to communicate with you. Suppose मुझे कहना है इस बात को क्या कि आप जाकर 2 किलो आलू लेते आइए। अब ये 2 किलो आलू लेते आइए, मैंने कहा आपको, एक इंस्ट्रक्शन मैंने दिया आपको कि जाइए मार्केट और 2 किलो आलू लेकर आइए। अब सपोज ये लैंग्वेज ही नहीं होती तो मैं कैसे बोलता आपको? मतलब इसका साफ होता है क्या कि आपको लैंग्वेज की जरूरत होती है किसी से भी कम्युनिकेट करने के लिए, कि लैंग्वेज के बिना हम कभी भी किसी भी इंस्ट्रक्शन को कन्वे नहीं कर सकते दूसरे को। किसी न किसी लैंग्वेज की बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत पड़ती है। एंड इन द सेम वे कंप्यूटर्स के लिए भी उतनी ही ज्यादा जरूरत है कि हम किसी एक पर्टिकुलर लैंग्वेज को पकड़कर आगे बढ़े। मैं आपको जावा के बारे में थोड़ा सा बात बता देता हूं कि जावा इज राइट नाउ इन 2023 ऑल्सो इट इज वर्ल्ड्स most important and world's most famous languages across the all over the globe. If you go and search on Google about TOB index, in 2023 Java is ranked 4th position. Java is ranked in 4th position. It's a big deal that a language which was developed in the year 1995. This language was developed in the year 1995 and it's still ranked 4th. This is one index value, that is one certification site which marks it as in 4th position, but there are many indices in internet which marks Java as first and second language all over the world, which is used all across the world. Java was developed in the year 1995. You must be curious to know who was the developer of Java language. The Java language was developed by James Gosling. Again, now in the present day, Java is owned by Oracle company. Okay, Java is owned by, in present date, Java is owned by Oracle company, but in the year 1995, it was not owned by Oracle company. Rather, Java language was created in the office of Sun Microsystems. James Gosling developed Java in the Sun Microsystems office in the year 1995. There are many, points behind this also, but these topics will be discussed later on in my class. Being physically present, you will be able to connect with me and you will be able to get everything that I will say to you, and the most proper way of understanding, the most proper way of teaching student, or the most proper way of learning something new is not through this mobile phone camera, or not through this camera system, not through online class, not through YouTube. कुछ बच्चे जो होते हैं ऐसे जो कि चलो मान लिया कि वो समझ जाते हैं, उन्हें बस पढ़ने का एक मौका चाहिए किसी बच्चे को तो वो कहीं भी पढ़ लेते हैं। लेकिन कभी कभी ऐसे बच्चे भी होते हैं जो कि मन उन्हें नहीं लगता, उनका मन हमेशा विचलित रहता है, हमेशा वो इस चीज़ को सोचते रहते हैं कि कैसे क्या पढ़े, नहीं समझ में आ रहा है। तो यस, उन सब बच्चों के लिए भी ये सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट ये होता है क्या कि आप सामने आएँ, सामने बैठें और आपस में बातचीत करके उसके बाद कुछ वैल्यू को निकालें। तो यस, मिलते हैं 13 मार्च से हमारा क्लास शुरू हो रहा है, हम उस दिन मिलते हैं अपने इस क्लास में। टिल देन, थैंक यू, बाय।